Hello and welcome to Olympia Tutorials, and I am Aparna Adhikari. Today we'll be discussing few questions on coding and decoding. In all the competitive exams, we have questions from the topic coding and decoding. So now let's begin. So the question arises, how to decode the questions given in the coded language. So the answer is, in these type of questions, some particular words are assigned certain substituted names. Then a question is asked that is to be answered in the substituted coded language. So in a coded language, maybe a certain alphabet or a number is coded with a different symbol or any other number or alphabet. So depending on that, which will fit the best, in that way we have to do the coding or the decoding of the given question. These questions are quite simple but a bit tricky. So very carefully you must read the questions while solving them. So let's start few practice problems. In most of the competitive exams nowadays, this concept of coding and decoding is used. And so read the question very carefully before you try to solve them. So question number 1. If green is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called blue, then what is the color of the parrot? So here in certain language, or you can say in certain code, green, red and yellow are substituted with red, yellow and blue. So now the question arises, what is the color of the parrot? We all know color of the parrot is green. In general it is green in color. But in the coded language, green is called red. So here you will have the answer as the color of the parrot is red. Very easy. Next question. If city is called village, village is called forest, forest is called building, then where do deer live? So now as we know, deer lives in the forest. But here, forest is called building. So, forest is termed as building in the coded language. So here, your answer is going to be building. Option D, building. Question number 3. If house is called hut, hut is called field, field is called drain, and drain is called tray, then where is football played? So we know football is played in the ground or field. Ground is also termed as field. So here your answer is going to be football is played in the field, but field is termed as, field is called drain. So here your answer is going to be option number D, drain. Question number 4. If hand is called finger, finger is called nose, nose is called tongue, and tongue is called foot, then with which does a man taste? Now you know the sensory organ which is used to taste is our tongue. But tongue is called foot. So your answer is going to be option D, foot. Very simple questions. So just you have to read the analogy of the question very properly. Try to understand it and interpret it in a very proper manner. Question number 6. If school is called home, home is called college, college is called bank, and bank is called temple, then where do we go to deposit or withdraw cash? So we know we go to the bank to deposit or withdraw the cash. But in this code you have bank is called temple. So your answer is going to be yes, very good, temple. So your answer is going to be A, temple. In a certain language, now you can see this is a different coded type question. You have to first write the codes for this and then you will get the answer. In a certain code language, rope is written as $3 %6. So here you can see ROP. We'll just write down the alphabets ROP and E, and below them we will write the codes for this. So for R we have a dollar, for O we have 3, P you have percentage, and E is 6. And another word RITE is written as $4 #6. Now here already R is given as dollar. So which letters are missing in this, that we'll write. So R is there already. So ITE. First we have to make a row properly of the coded language so that you can find the given word. So here you have T is hash, I is 4 and E is 6. 6 already is given here 6, so no need of writing. So now here the question is port. So port, P-O-R-T. So below the alphabets, whatever code is written, that you have to just write. So P is percentage, O is 3, R is dollar, and T is hash. So let's check the option %3 hash. So option number D is going to be the correct answer. So port can be represented as $3 and hash in a coded language. Very easy question. Just you need a little bit of practice and concentration for solving these kind of questions. In a certain code language, board is written as 54 #12 and more is written as 941 $. So how is dream written? So first we will just assemble all the alphabets BOARD, board. Write down the code for that. 54 #1 and 2. And what is the given word? MORE. O is there already, so we'll write for M. M you have 9. O is given. R is also given. And last is E. E is dollar. So the word which they have asked us is dream. DREAM. So just write down the corresponding codes. D is 2, R is 1, E is dollar, A is hash, and M is 9. So let's check all the options. $21 #9. $21 #9. So your option number A is going to be the correct answer. Next question. In a certain language, late is coded as 8 and $4 and higher is coded as 7 asterisk $3. Then how will hail be coded in the same language? So first let us write down all the letters LATE, late. So corresponding code you have 8 and 4 and dollar. And E, next word is higher, HIRE. So H you don't have here, so we'll write down H, I and R. E is already coded here. So for H you have 7, I is asterisk, R is 3. So now the word which they have asked, we'll just write down HAIL. So corresponding to H you have 7, A is and, I is asterisk or star sign, and last is L. L is 8. So let's check all the options. So here option number D, 7 and star and 8. This is your correct option. Hope you all are solving along with me. So question number 10. in a certain language, week is coded as 9% $2 and skit is coded as $7 then how will weight be coded in the same language? So first of all, let us write down the alphabets or the words which are given. WEAK, week, and the corresponding code is 9% 2, and here you have a dollar. And next word is skit. So S, K is already given, I and T. So the corresponding codes for that, S is hashtag and I is 7 and T is @. So here weight, WAIT, weight. So you'll have W is 9, A is 2, I is 7 and T is @. So here option number B, 927 @. This is your correct option. So now here you can see the solid figures are there and let's start solving them. If cone means cube, cube means cylinder, cylinder means sphere, then which is formed using squares? So you know squares form, square is a plane figure and squares are forming cube. Here you can see a cube is made of squares. So here using squares you can form a cube. But in this coded language, cube means a cylinder. So here your option is going to be option number C, cylinder. So using squares you can make a cylinder. Very simple question. Here again in a certain coded language, favor is written as 5#2 at 3 star and danger is written as 6#1 $7 star. Then how will founder be written in a certain code? So we'll first of all write down the codes for them. FAVOUR, favor. Here you have 5#2 at 3 and star. And here danger, D, A is already given, N, G, E, R is also given already. So D is what? 6, N is 1, then G is dollar, E is 7. So now what they have told to find? Founder. FOUNDER, founder. So let's write down. F is S, O is @, U is 3, N is 1, D is 6, E is 7 and R is star. So here if you see all the options, here option number A is going to be correct. 5@3167 star. This is your correct answer. Now in the next question you can see there are certain letters and the codes are given, but here the codes are not in the form of alphabets or letters, they are just certain symbols are used instead of those letters. So already you have got the total set of letters and codes, so here you don't have to frame the codes, just you have to use the letters. Whatever question is given you have to just interpret it from that. So here you have the codes and we have to find the code for India. So just below the letter observe the codes properly, you will get India. So I is here not equal to sign I, N is a delta sign or a triangle type sign, then D is greater than sign, I is again not equal to, and A is O or 0, whatever you can say. So now let's just compare it with all the options, and you will get here option number D is your correct option. Very carefully you have to observe while solving these codes, because a slight mistake will if there is a slight mistake, then you won't be able to get the correct answer. If you observe the options carefully, just a single symbol is just changing. You can see a greater than is replaced by a less than sign. The other options are almost same, so very close to each other. So properly examine the options when you are solving these kind of questions. The question number 14, the codes from some language is given below. So find the code for study. So S is equal to, T is delta, U is less than, D is plus, and Y is minus. So here if you just look at all the options, option number D is your correct option. Very easy question. Question number 15, the code for same language, some letters are given below, and find the code for credit. So C is 7, R is 9, E is 2, D is 4, I is 5, and T is 0. 792450. So here option number B, 792450, this is your correct answer for the code credit. Question number 16, the codes for some letters are given below. So you have to find the code for reason. So reason, R is given at the rate, E is dollar, A is a exclamation mark, S is a copyright sign, O is hashtag, and N is minus. So just examine all the options properly and you'll see option number A is your correct answer. So many questions on the coded language we have solved, and now we'll just have a look at few previous years questions. So if grapes is called mango, mango is called apple, apple is called lychee, lychee is called a watermelon, watermelon is called orange, then dash is the heaviest. So here all the different fruits are given, so you can just see which is the heaviest fruit. Watermelon is the heaviest fruit. So but the substitution of watermelon is orange. So here you'll have the option A, orange. This is the heaviest. Option number A, orange, is going to be your correct answer. This question was asked in National Science Olympiad of 2020. Next question, in certain code language, some letters are coded. So you have to find the coded word for watch. So now just look at the letters and the code and write down them. Watch, W is copyright sign, A is 1, T is 2, C is 8, and H is at the rate. So here if you look at all the options, here your option number D is the correct answer. This question was asked in the International Math Olympiad of 2020. Now this is a picture question. If scissor means stapler, stapler means a pin, paper pin means a punching machine which is used to make holes in the papers. A punching machine means a crayon, then dash is used for punching paper. So just observe carefully. For punching paper, you are going to use a punching machine. But the punching machine, it is referred here to the crayon. Yes. So here punching machine means a crayon. So here your answer is going to be option number C, crayon. This question was asked in the International Math Olympiad of 2020. So next question, in a certain code language, you have the numbers given 96543 is abuse and 19543 is cause. Then how will 15634 be written in the same language? So now let's write down. Your numbers are assigned here 96543. For this you have the word abuse, abuse, and again the word is cause, and the number 19543. So 1, here you have a 943 already given. For 1 you have C. So now they have asked us to solve for the numbers 15634. So 1 is C, 5 is U, 6 is B, 3 is E, and 4 is S. C-U-B-E-S, cubes. So here your correct answer is going to be cubes. Option number C, cubes. This question was asked in the National Computer Olympiad of 2021. In the last year this was asked. And here one more question you have. If monkey is called lion, lion is called tiger, tiger is called deer, then dash is the king of the jungle. So you know the king of the jungle is the lion, but lion is called a tiger in the given code. So here your option is going to be option number B, tiger is the correct answer. This question was asked in the National Science Olympiad of 2021. Very easy questions. Next question, if mango is called pizza, pizza is called cashew, cashew is called almond, then which of the following is a junk food? So from all these foods which are shown here or named here like mango, pizza, cashew, almond, you know pizza is a junk food. But pizza is called cashew. So here you will have the answer. The junk food is cashew. This question was asked in the International Math Olympiad of 2021. So by this time you must have understood that how to solve the different questions from coding and decoding, and they are quite simple. Just by interpreting the facts you can easily solve this kind of questions. Next question, if tongue is called nose, nose is called foot, foot is called finger, then with which a person breathes. So you know we breathe with our nose, but here nose is called foot. So here you have the answer foot, D, foot. Very easy question. This was also asked in International Math Olympiad of 2021. So children, we have solved lot of questions, few practice problems and the questions from the previous years also. Hope you all have understood the questions. So if you have any doubts, you can pin me in the comment section. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all my videos as soon as I post them. And for online classes and other queries, you can just mail me at adhikariaparna61@gmail.com. So keep on practicing more and more problems. We'll meet very soon. Thanks for watching.